Hello again, it's Noob, and I got to be honest, I'm not entirely sure why I bought one of these, apart from the fact I didn't have one and I was interested in having a look at one because I've never really seen one up close. And this is well, it's a little bit worn, but it's a brand new lockable cash bag. And I guess the idea with this is that you would get your earnings for the day, stick it in the bag, lock it up, and then that would be dropped off in one of those bank drop boxes, if you like, the ones which you can just drop all your earnings in, and then the bank would deposit it in your account for you, something like that. If you know better than I do, then please do say so. It's got a lock there. You close the zip up, and then you lock it down like that, and then you can't open the zip anymore. I mean, I say that, frankly, it's not made of like Kevlar or anything like that. It's and even if it was, it wouldn't stop somebody with a sharp knife getting in there. I guess it's just a way to keep it secure, make sure nothing comes out, make sure the sticky fingers don't have a look in the bag once you've counted your cash into it. I don't really know, but it's kind of cool. And the lock is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wafers. It is a wafer lock as well, so probably not particularly high security. Clearly, if it's a bag, it doesn't need a high security lock, does it? But it just, well, it sort of just is what it is, and it's kind of cool to have, I have to say. Right, I'm gonna go grab my vise, throw that in there just so it holds it a little bit better, and then we'll have a go at picking it. Okay, so we're in the vise, and it's got a very wide keyway, but I'm just going to use a bit of, well, wide wiper blade like this in the top, and got piece and gem in 18,000th. But just look at how much play there is in that core. It doesn't bode well, does it? I mean, that isn't a sign of a particularly high quality lock, and that just means that these can be unpredictable. And this lock in particular is unpredictable. It can be very easy sometimes, very difficult others. So it's a 6 going through and just bouncing on the tops of these wafers under relatively light tension. See if we get anything sort of set. That's 6, 5 again, 4, well, probably 3 actually, truthfully. And we've just got a movement there. Now, it could be an open, it's a very strong spring, so we're just going to put in a pry bar at the bottom and give it a bit of a wiggle. Nope, okay, so got to keep going. Oh, no, we got it. There's just a wafer. I could see it down the keyway as a wafer, and it just got at a weird angle. You just need to push it in to the side. It's such a badly made lock, it really is. It's just awful. I mean, I know it's a wafer lock, but it's a very, very badly made one. And there we go. So should be able to retrieve my my fortune from the bag. So yeah, that's my pocket money for the week. I'll probably spend it on locks, no doubt. There you go. That's the surprisingly badly made locking cash deposit bag. That's all I have to say about it, really. Hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you all next time.